Welcome to the introduction of the magic of bringing ideas to life. Animation is quite literally like magic. It takes an idea and transforms it into a moving, breathing world. We begin with simple drawings, sketches that hold the potential for life. But to bring these creations to life, we need a process, a roadmap to guide us from concept to reality. This guide will walk you through the basics of animation, focusing on the essential steps that breathe life into your dreams. We'll explore the importance of storyboarding, the process of visually mapping out your story. We will delve into the world of character design, where personality is born through shape and color. From there, we'll navigate the exciting landscape of animation software, exploring the tools that empower you to animate. Finally, we'll touch upon the animation process itself, providing insights into bringing your characters and stories to life on screen. Whether you dream of whimsical unicorns or fantastical adventures, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to begin. Remember, even the most experienced animators started with a single drawing. Every frame, every movement is a testament to the power of imagination and the dedication to bringing it to life. So embrace the journey and let's dive into the enchanting world of animation. Welcome to Section 2, Setting the Stage, the Power of Storyboarding. Every great animation starts with a plan, a visual roadmap that guides the entire production. This roadmap is called a storyboard. Think of it as a comic book version of your animated story, a sequence of drawings that outlines the flow of your narrative. Storyboarding is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you visualize your story, allowing you to identify potential problems or areas for improvement in the early stages. Secondly, it ensures that everyone involved in the project is on the same page, understanding the flow of events, character interactions, and overall direction. Each panel in your storyboard represents a scene or a significant action within your animation. Don't worry about creating perfect drawings at this stage. Simple stick figures will suffice. The key is to capture the essence of each scene, the movement, the emotion, and the camera angles. Remember, storyboarding is an iterative process. You'll revise, refine, and polish your storyboard as you progress, ensuring it accurately reflects your evolving vision. Now, let's move to Section 3, choosing your digital paintbrush animation software. With your storyboard as your guide, you're ready to embark on the exciting journey of bringing your animation to life. But first, you'll need the right tools. Just as a painter needs brushes and paints, an animator requires animation software. The world of animation software is vast and varied, offering a wide range of options for beginners and seasoned professionals. Some popular choices include Synfig Studio, OpenToons, and Pencil 2D, all of which are free and open source, providing a fantastic starting point for aspiring animators. These software packages provide a digital canvas where you can draw, animate, and bring your characters to life. They offer a range of features, including drawing tools, timeline functionality for managing your animation frames, and layers for organizing different elements of your scene. Don't be overwhelmed by the multitude of options. Start with the basics and gradually explore the software's capabilities as you gain confidence. Section 4. Breathing life into dreams character design. Characters are the heart of any animation. They drive the story, evoke emotions, and connect with the audience on a personal level. Character design, therefore, is a crucial aspect of the animation process, one that requires creativity, observation, and a keen understanding of visual storytelling. When designing your characters, start by thinking about their personality, their role in the story, and the world they inhabit. Are they playful and mischievous like a pixie, or wise and majestic like a unicorn? Their personality should shine through in their appearance, from their body shape and posture to their facial expressions and choice of clothing. Experiment with different shapes and silhouettes. Round shapes often convey friendliness, while sharp angles can suggest danger or villainy. Color is another powerful tool in character design. Bright, vibrant colors can evoke joy and energy, while cooler tones might suggest calmness or mystery. Remember, character design is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to sketch multiple versions of your characters, experimenting with different features and expressions until you find the perfect embodiment of their personality. Section 5. The Art of Motion. Bringing your characters to life. With your characters designed and your software at the ready, it's time to breathe life into your creation through the magic of animation. Animation, at its core, is the art of creating the illusion of motion by displaying a sequence of static images in rapid succession. The most common technique is frame-by-frame animation, where you draw each frame of the animation individually. This technique gives you maximum control over the movement, allowing you to create nuanced and detailed animations. Start by defining the key poses of your animation, the most important positions that define the movement. Then, you fill in the gaps between these key poses with in-between frames, creating a smooth and believable flow of motion. The more frames you use, the smoother the animation will appear. Remember, practice is key. Start with simple animations, like a bouncing ball or a waving hand, and gradually work your way up to more complex movements. Section 6. Conclusion. Your animated adventure awaits. Animation is a magical journey, one that allows you to bring your imagination to life. From the initial spark of an idea to the final polished product, every step is an opportunity to learn, experiment, and explore the boundless possibilities of this captivating art form. Remember, the most important ingredient is your passion and dedication. Animation can be challenging at times, but the rewards are immeasurable. So embrace the journey, dive in with enthusiasm, and let your creativity soar. And remember, there are countless resources available to support you on your animation adventure. Online tutorials, animation communities, and even professional animation studios can provide guidance, inspiration, and assistance. So step into the enchanting world of animation and let your creativity shine through. Your animated adventure awaits.